What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here, but do not laugh at me. I need you guys to not laugh at me. Dogecoin is going to reach $3 to $5 this bull market. Are you laughing? Is that funny to you? Does that seem realistic? $3 to $5 Dogecoin. Let me know in the comments below. But honestly, it does seem extremely realistic with what is going on in the government. The US government has a department headed by Elon Musk called the D.O.G.E, the Department of Government Efficiency. Yeah, that's it. And guess what? The mascot has Dogecoin in the background. I mean, that's crazy. That is crazy to even think or even hear about that. Just imagine 3 years ago hearing about that. Oh yeah, guess what? In the government, there's going to be a department called the D.O.G.E, and Elon Musk is going to be heading it, appointed by Donald Trump. Nobody would have ever thought that that is possible. And that's particularly the reason why I think Dogecoin is going to go $3 to $5 this bull market. Now, you must understand, in bull markets, the way it works is Dogecoin just pumped up massively from basically 10 cents. We went almost to 50 cents. So that's a huge move. The way crypto markets work is they will, the majority of the time, just chop around, go up and down, crash, pump, and then just chop around, going up and down, up and down. No real trend, no real movement. And then randomly, a couple of times a year, and we're talking about bull markets. This isn't always the case, but especially in our circumstances now, we're gonna get these massive pumps that come out of nowhere that last for a couple of weeks, and then it calms down a bit, shakes around, goes up and down, shakes people out, doesn't really do much, looks like it's over with, and then starts skyrocketing again. So we just had a massive pump, and I believe that we're obviously are cooling down. Dogecoin hasn't made new highs. We did have a pretty big pump today, but I think a very big move is going to be taking place in the next couple of weeks for all cryptos, not even Dogecoin. But this next pump is going to take us to $1. Then I think we're going to chill out for a little bit. Then we're going to calm down. Things are going to shake around. Then it's going to pump again. We're going to get to $2 to $3. But some of these pumps are going to be absolutely gigantic. And I think it's going to take place maybe before Christmas or at some point next year, maybe February, March. That's when things are really going to kick off. You must understand, towards the end of each year, there will be a little bit of sell-off because people are tax harvesting. They're tax harvesting. So they're basically selling things for losses. They're moving books around. And at the beginning of the new year, they start buying a lot of things. So you're going to see a lot of volatility towards the end of the year. And I'm probably just going to be sitting out the market, most likely just holding spot, only not making any crazy trades. So understand that. But I do think that Dogecoin could possibly reach $3 to $5 at some point by next year, maybe by next September. That is when my price model is going to hit $3 to $5. I mean, there's so many things pointing towards a $3 to $5 Dogecoin that is actually quite realistic. We have the Gaussian channel pointing towards a $3 to $5 move. We have all the technicals are pointing towards a $3 to $5 move. Everything is pointing towards a $3 to $5 move, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be absolutely crazy. Bitcoin just tagged and made new all-time highs today. It is holding still very strong. I thought it was going to break down. It did not. It's holding very, very strong because we are in a bull market. Taking a look at Dogecoin, Dogecoin did break out of this bull flag. We did get a pump up to 42 cents today, and we are since pulling back a little bit. So nothing really crazy is taking place in the charts right now. I am still expecting Bitcoin to give us a pullback, which is going to give a strong flush on altcoins, because as Bitcoin hit all-time highs today, it ended up pulling back. And what happened with a lot of altcoins is a lot of altcoins even dumped about 10%. Here's Dog with Hat. Here's Pepe. I mean, a lot of altcoins, including Dogecoin, dumped about 10% by Bitcoin going down just about 1%. So the market needs a correction, in my opinion. It needs a flush, and that's going to bring a lot of sideline capital into the market, which is going to push us up way higher. ALGOSNIPER did give us a buy alert for here at Dogecoin at the very bottom. And it did give a sell alert at the very top around 43 cents. You guys can try ALGOSNIPER today for $1 at algosniper.com. It will tell you literally exactly when to buy, when to sell before these big moves take place on Dogecoin or any of your favorite cryptos or stocks or Forex. If you guys are going to be trading cryptos, make sure you are doing it over on Blowfin. It's a platform that me and my community trade on. You guys can get up to a $5,000 deposit bonus by using my link. You're gonna also have the cheapest fees on any platform trading for crypto in the world. But most importantly, guys, make sure you are in my Patreon. This thing is absolutely amazing. If you guys join the Patreon, you will have access to all of my calls. You can follow all of my signals, all of my trades, when I'm buying, when I'm selling, constant market updates, and especially the meme coins that come out when we get them. They have been coming out like crazy, doing 5x, 10x, some of them 150x gains. We only had a couple of those this year that did 100x and one did 150x. Absolutely insane. Unfortunately, I did sell those coins early, and a bunch of people in the Patreon, they held and made a lot of money. That's gonna be it for this video. If you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.